I never went.
Y'all see what's going on, man. Scat thing, boy. Light pack coming in. Light pack for the scat. Oh, double packs? Nah, double packs. One pack, boy. I'll see, man. What's up, man? Big box.
Went to the front door.
Yeah. I'll see, man. I'll see what's going on. All right, thanks, man. Appreciate it. All right, man. Here got another light, super light. I ain't broke my stand, y'all, so I don't know how the view gonna be looking. So I'm holding on this little stuff. Got the slow guy in the back. Look, man. Hey, they like to see the shoes. They like that, bro.
Your trend is, man, that's a light slide. You said it's a light video, but the video ended up being long.
Boy, if you don't get.
Hey, man, whatever, man. Y'all see it. I know y'all see this big box. I know y'all see this big scat, man. So if you don't know, I really don't got no performance mods. I got like an intake, and that's it. Oil catch can ain't performance, muffler leak ain't performance. But finally got my first real performance mod, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all this, man. Go ahead and get to open this up real quick. Got my little assistants right here.
Yeah, help today, Jack.
Really sick about my tripod getting that broke, bro. I mean, y'all already know what's going on. Go ahead and pull one of these out, man. So what we got here is a long tube JBA headers, man. So once I get these, I'm getting these installed next month. If you don't know, I mean, to get these installed, to get the full power from these, you want to get a tune once you get these installed. And I think it's some more stuff in here. Let me see.
You gotta tell me which one you went to, 1 7/8. You know niggas gonna be asking.
Yeah, man, y'all hear them. I ain't gotta say it if you just said it. So these are the JBA long tube headers. You already know. I'll put the link down in the description. 1 7/8. Go ahead, pop the hood real quick and show y'all. Like I said, it's pretty much stock. It's pretty much all cosmetic. You know, I got the carbon, red trim, paddle shifters, lights, wrap, rims, spike lugs, more wrap shit, stripes, more wrap stuff. And like I said, this is the only performance mod I actually got. AFE Momentum GT intake. I will be replacing this filter because it's super dirty. Oil catch can. And yeah, if you don't know, the headers basically, you can't really see. They go down there. And so I'm heading to California next month. I'm going to go to RTB exhaust and get this done as well. I got, go ahead and let y'all know right now, man. I got E85 tune, real E85 tune. If you don't know, I had E85 flex fuel kit on here, but that doesn't really, you do run E85, but you don't get the full potential E85. So I'm gonna switch the injectors out with the HELLCAT injectors and get an E85 tune, pair with this intake, pair with the motherfucking headers, and then I'm also going with drag rail on the back, and that way I really get some real runs in. I mean, I already ate this. Stock on stock, I ate this, you know, E85. Dig, this still would eat this. I'm just confident in that. But like I say, I got way more content coming once I get all these performance mods on. So if you're not already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the video. And if you're not already, make sure you're following the car Instagram. Make sure you follow this slow guy, car Instagram. Slow. What's in that box?
I think this might be your clamps and stuff.
You let them know what's going on.
Oh, wow, they give you O2 extensions.
Come on, Jack.
You ordered that, or
nah,
you?
They seen the name on the order. Hey, you know, all the bolts and all that shit.
What, yeah, bro, you literally got your O2. That's pretty dope, bro. Honestly, man.
Y'all see it, man. I
ordered it from him just because of that, man.
Yeah. Well, like I said, it's pretty much it. Just want to show y'all we got the performance mods coming now. I know y'all like the look of the Scat, but you can't just have looks, man. You gotta have a little speed behind it, man. And like I said, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Got way more shit coming, man. I'm starting to pick this camera up more. Definitely about to upgrade my camera. I already upgraded my phone. I already upgraded my phone. New phone on the way. New camera on the way, man. And we out.
Pretty good.
You guys doing okay?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay, my name is Officer Young, sir.
Mhm.
This is my partner, Officer Blasco, okay?
Okay.
By the way, fan of the car.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Look, was on my grind, it was my time. I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, pocket 96, 11 past 11.